Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the front brake discs and brake pads on Mercedes B-Class W245. First we start by removing the two bolts that hold the brake caliper. Next we'll get a screwdriver and try to push the brake cylinder a little bit in so that we can take out the brake caliper easily. Now we remove the brake caliper. Next we'll remove the brake pads and then remove the two bolts for the brake caliper support. And take out the brake caliper support. Next we will remove the screw that holds the brake disc in place and remove the brake. If the disc doesn't want to come out so easy, maybe hammer it a little bit on both sides and it will come out. Next you can clean the wheel hub with a wheel brush a little bit if there is a lot of rust and put on the new brake disc. Next we put the brake caliper support back on and assemble everything in the reverse way. To push in the brake cylinder on the brake caliper, we're gonna use a brake caliper compression kit with which we'll push the brake cylinder in, and then we'll put the new pads on and we'll put the brake caliper. Before putting on the brake caliper, we'll see if the sliders are okay. If they're okay, we can put them back on. If they need to be greased a little bit, we'll put some grease on, high temperature grease, and then put the brake caliper. After putting the brake caliper on, we're done. don't forget to press the brake pedal a few times so that the brake cylinder returns to normal position, and then everything is okay. Thank you for watching. If the video was helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos.